The campaigns have now come to an end. The voting is the day after tomorrow. I call upon all registered voters to come out and vote. There have been practices of intimidation. I held a meeting with the security forces. They are ready to defend you. Some of the groups have made it a habit of trying to cheat when it comes to elections. I want to tell you Ugandans that cheating in elections is treasonable. I'm glad the Electoral Commission has finally brought a system which is foolproof. This is the one where you can only vote if you show your fingerprint. If anything like that happens, my appeal to the Electoral Commission is that then voting on that polling station should not take place. They should suspend it. That social channel you are talking about, if it is going to operate in Uganda, it should be used equitably by everybody who has to use it. If you want to take sides against the NRM, then that group would not operate in Uganda. Uganda is ours, it's not anybody's. Those Facebook and those groups did not respond, I hear, and I'm sure the government has closed the social media. I thank you and I wish you good luck. Happy elections.